Hey, what up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Hold on. MET X. Alright, I just got that shit was kind of on fire, though. Hey, what's good with y'all, man? Coming at y'all with another video today. Today, just like a little short video I just wanted to make. It's been like 4 days since I made a video, and I'm not really trying to go too long, but this camera made me look weird as shit. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, this should be confusing. But yeah, man, first things first, man, make sure y'all go. Hey, if y'all interested in the goddamn keychains, make sure y'all go tap into the keychains, man. Instagram, if y'all want more pictures, custom reviews, you know what I'm saying, all that, click the link in the description down below. And go find my Instagram. But today's video, man, we just gonna be talking about one of my most I really don't how I don't even know how I'm gonna like title this video, but basically this is just how I get my entry every time. Like what I look for in a specific candle that I'm gonna enter on every single time. Like I use this on every single entry. Like 99.9% times. You feel me? Maybe it's just like a 0.01% that I don't use it. But so I got one example right here for y'all, and I'm gonna just keep finding the examples as we go and just giving y'all just, you know what I'm saying? Boom. You feel me? So now I gotta hold on. Just make sure my camera's straight. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm really not trying to redo this video. Hold on. All right, being. Yeah. All right, this should be cool. All right, bet. So, as y'all know, I have a specific way I enter on my entries and shit. A lot of people be kind of questioning it. So, these are just examples, bro. These are just straight examples, right? So, boom. So right here, let's say we got this little zone drew up or demand right here, whatever you want to call it. This is just a straight example. This is not just like I said, this is just a fucking example. Alright? Don't take me too serious on this, alright? I just want to show y'all the candles that I look for when I'm trying to enter. That's it. That's all. You feel me? So boom. So let's say this is like a little demand right here, right? Boom. So I'm waiting for it to come back. Boom. Waiting for it to, push up. But sometimes on demands, if they don't look like they hold, I will take the sell on it if the selling pressure looks more powerful than the buying pressure. So right here, right? Let me just zoom in for y'all, just for y'all people who really can't see, just in case of I don't know, bro. Your vision might be fucked up, but hey, it's cool though. My vision fucked up too. And guess what? I'm not wearing glasses, but hey, man, we thugging it out though. So look, now as you see, I'm saying this is basically a little zone I got drew up right here. You know what I'm saying, for the little candle, right? So boom. I got the zone drew up, and as we can see right here, I always like to enter on the break of the candle. Like let's say, for this example, like let's say right now we watching this candle, right? Boom, it's right here, and I'm waiting for it to break below these candles, right? So once it break below these two candles right here that I'm looking at, right here, then I'm gonna have my entry right here, right? Now, before all that happens, what I want to see on this candle before we break below is I want to see this huge red candle right here, push up first. So just imagine the candle just came out, right? The candle just came out, and if I'm looking for sales, I always want to see it push up first and then push down and make new lows on that candle. So just imagine right here, boom, the candle just came out, right? This red candle right here just came out, boom. It's green, it's green, it's green. It's like it don't got no wick under it right now, right? Boom. And then once it reaches this little phase where it's just green. As soon as the candle just come out, it's green. It's just pushing up. Then it starts to go down, and then boom. Once it starts to go down, boom. Now this candle is red, and it has a decent sized wick. So what I always try to look for in my entries is I always try to on sales. I like to see it push up. No, okay. So yeah, on sales, I want to see it push up first, and then create a little decent wick. It doesn't have to be a huge wick, just like a wick where you could be like, okay, it tried to go up a little bit, but sellers was in control. So boom, on sales, I'm looking for the wick above, and then once it break down and make blue lows, like making new low going lower and lower on that candle, that's what I'm looking for sales. So boom, for example, right here, like I said, I'm getting in. As soon as it break below these candles, then boom, you know what I'm saying, putting a stop loss. Me personally, this is just how I trade. I always put the stop loss above the candle, and hey, it be working for me Now look, y'all can criticize it all y'all want to, but hey, it's made me a lot of money. Hey, this is just how I trade. You feel me? I don't critique how you trade. Don't critique how I trade. If it works for me, it works for me. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to use it. This is just my personal experience, and you know, why you can help somebody. So boom. Like I said, candle. You know what I'm saying? Right above the candle. Now, as soon as I get in this trade, we're getting this trade right here, right below when it break below these two candles, these wicks, right? Now, our stop loss is all the way up here. If we already been all the way up here and we push down and we have like if I'm seeing like a decent amount of momentum, I'm gonna have enough confidence with this trade. Now, I usually go for like a 1 to 2. Right here, let me see. Now, like I said, it's just an example. Now, 1 to 2 would have got hit, but you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna just find another example. You feel me? I'm not trying to be like, no, it barely hit TP. These are just fucking examples, my nigga. Like, cool it. So yeah, right here, boom. Now, I showed y'all an example of a sell. I'm gonna show you an example of a buy, right? Boom. Now, some people may call this a demand zone, a supply zone, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I'm calling it a demand zone. It's my demand zone, order block, whatever the fuck you want to call it, right? So, on this one, like I said, if I'm looking for buys, I want the wick below. But if I'm looking for sales, I want the wick above. And for this candle, if I'm always buying, I'm always going to have my zone marked up. And before I get in that buy on that specific candle, as soon as it starts, I'm gonna need to see like it go down first, you know, push down a little bit, then start to push up, and then once it start to push up and break a new high, and that candle's not red no more, and you know it's turned green, and you know it's like it's obviously just a bullish candle. You see how it came down here first, got this wick right here, boom, we pushed all the way down, then it started to push back up. Then it probably made, you know what I'm saying, new high right here. This candle started turning green. I'll be getting in right. I'm going to show you exactly where I would get in now. Let me show you. Boom. Get in like right here. As soon as that candle make that new high after pushing down and then pushing all the way back up. Now it's green. Now it has that wick below. Now I'm, you know what I'm saying? Throw that stop loss right into the wick. You know, let me see. I'm going to just put 1 to 2 because that's usually what I always try to go for. And boom, you know what I'm saying? Like me, I like 1 to 2s. I risk a decent amount. I don't risk like nothing too crazy. I don't risk too less. So it's not really over trading, over leveraging. You know, I know my loss. I know I'm comfortable with my loss. I'm comfortable with my wins. So, and like I said, bro, I set my stop loss here because it already pushed down once. And if it's just gonna keep coming to that area, I personally do not like that. And I back tested this. 100%. I back tested this so many fucking times. This is like I've been trading like this for years. So if you want more examples, just go on my Instagram, link in the description, and just I have like the highlights under my like my bio and everything. It's like entries. So just go look at them entries. It's like probably over like 100, 200 entries where I screenshot it, my setup, my take profit, all that. So like I said, man, if y'all need some more examples, just let me know in the comments down below, or just contact me on Instagram. Just like I said, you know, for sales, I want to push up first and then, you know, create that wick at the top, then start, you know what I'm saying, start pushing down. So we got a wick above, and then I set my stop loss above there. And then once it break through this candle, you know what I'm saying, boom. Once it create a new high on that candle, then I get in. Just like buys, you know what I'm saying, I want to push down, push up, create that wick under below. And once I start seeing it making new highs on that candle, boom, click buy. Stop loss under below. Now look, if you just gon' you feel me, just back, you know what I'm saying, just bullshit my strategy or, you know, try to downplay it, just save your energy, bro. Cause look, I'm gonna just say I made money. You feel me? Now look, if you disagree with it, that's fine. You trade your way, I'm gonna trade my way. You make your money, I make my money. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm not arguing with nobody who disagree how I get my entries and shit, cause I've been showcasing this on YouTube. I showcase it on Instagram. I trade the exact same every day. So if this isn't working for me, it's working for me. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But hey, man, like I said, man, if y'all interested in the keychain, make sure y'all go tap in. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? Link in the description down below. But that's all for this video, man. I don't want to keep it too long. And hopefully y'all have a good day, man. I'm out this motherfucker. Hey.